Right line.
Then let's see what they do next.
Oh, you got told. Oh, okay, that's, okay, and then it shows stowing both of them at the bottom. That's right. Okay, 'cause after I stow them at the bottom, then I'll stow that at the top. Okay. So that's where this stow goes.
Oh,
Yep.
you're connecting the both of them?
Both of them here, right?
Okay.
Those are going to the canopy. Down, that's our excess loop right here.
Okay.
Okay, now this loop comes up and is stowed at the top up here,
Got it.
okay? So we're at this situation there, okay? So we've got this one down here. They've been brought together, right? We now have both sets of lines coming together. So these are now
It's sort of a neat